In this video, I will show you how to delete videos on YouTube. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, to delete a video on your YouTube account, all you have to do now, go to your Play Store or App Store and install this application called YouTube Studio. After you install this application, YouTube Studio, all you have to do now, close your Play Store and go and open the application. So if you open the application for the first time, it will ask you to sign in using your Gmail for your YouTube account. So for example, here is my YouTube account. So now if I want to delete a video, all you have to do now, tap on this content section. So under this content section, now you can be able now to see all your videos on your YouTube. As you can see, here is all my videos. So if I want to delete a specific video, all I have to do now, tap on this video that I want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this video. So to delete the video, tap on this three dot beside the video, this three dot. So after you tap on this three dot, all you have to do now, tap on this delete button and tap on this delete again. So as you can see now the video has disappeared. That's it guys on how to delete YouTube video on your Android phone or iOS device. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.